Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Here today to talk to you about the Boston with a 2021 280 Vantage. It's a brand new boat for this model year. A couple of really nice new features, other than being a little bit longer, 6 inches wider than the 270. They added the dive door into it. What a phenomenal feature for this boat. Great addition. Let's hop on and see the rest. Here we are on board the 280. It's a phenomenal boat inside and out, but let's start at the back of the boat. Inspired by the new Mercury 250s. Ton of horsepower for this boat. Hops right on the plane. Goes pretty good as well. If you going out for a ride, you got a nice comfortable two-person seat here. You want to fish, all you got to do, lift this up easily. You got rod holders in the back. I got a really nice, conveniently located live well right here, good size. And then back over here, we've got the dive door, which does multiple things. It's good for getting on and off the boat. It has a ladder to go down the water. It's easy to get on, and instead of when you're trying to come up through the ladder, you get something to grab onto to help you get inside the boat. It's a really nice feature. And then also boarding the boat, it's one level onto the floating dock. So you can get on and off the boat very, very easily, very safely as well. And then bringing fishing, bringing the fish over the gunnel. Tend to lose them when they come out of the water. This way, they're only half out of the water. You can slide them right into the fish box. Nice, neat, clean, great feature. Then over here we've got the seat that does just about everything. I've got a table that comes up over here, and then you can sit facing this direction. You can just go back that way, or you can go all the way down and lounge facing this way. And if you want to lounge facing forward, take that like that. Now you can lounge facing forward. Pretty cool. The seat does, the options on it are tremendous. Back over to this side, this is a new feature on the 27. Did not have that, so what it is, it's a little rear-facing seat, and it's got a cooler in here, insulated cooler, self-draining. Just a great place to put all your drinks in there, ice it all down, and it's real convenient, other than having the cooler sliding around. Little prep area with the sink, large storage underneath. And as we move to the helm, we bring in some of the whalers without the electronics. So this particular one doesn't have it, so you can add your Marines, your Garmins, whatever you can do. You can add that, whatever your choice is right there. You get the digital throttle and shift, you get a VHF, and then you got the joystick. Joystick is my favorite part of the boat. It just does. I've got full control of this boat. Sideways, you name it, I can get it in any slip. Also has the sky hook, so I can lock it into position. So if I want to see the sunset, which my wife likes to see, pointed at the sun, hit it, and we sit up front, relaxing, enjoyable, always pointing at the sun, and when you're done, hit the button, you go home. You've got the Autopilot, it's a point and shoot, it's a fantastic system, very, very, very easy for an Autopilot. And we've got the head, really good size head. It's got a handheld faucet in there that you can use. You can rinse yourself off if you want to change out of swimsuits and get into some clothes to go to dinner. And then we've got large storage. So underneath here, we've got a lot of dry storage, so you can keep all your life jackets and everything all down underneath. You get a large table as well that I pointed out where it goes earlier. And then you actually have a little trash barrel that's underneath. And to access it, you just open that up, put your trash in there. When you're done, you take the 5-gallon barrel out and you throw it away. Pretty cool. So very comfy up here, 2 nice comfy lounges. So, but you can put 4 adults up here very comfortably. And then all now, I've got the built-in lid, which is the recessed windlass, which is very, very nice. And then you also have the ladder. They can now move the footing ladder allowable to the side of the boat. So it's safer, you're not going to be anchored in the way. So it's a nice improvement which they did. Wash the sand off when you get on board. Very nice feature as well. So this boat we were very successful with the 270. This is now bigger. It's got some more features on it, so really, really nice job on the 280. So if you got any questions on it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.